people hate that word. And here's why. They think of the word as telling them
Mm,
no. They think of a
right.
budget is a limit. It's telling me what I
Right.
can't do. And it's
Right.
actually
Right.
not. If you flip it on its head, a budget should be telling you what you do get to do. It's about
Yeah.
saying yes. And the problem is so often we spend our time, we spend our money on things that aren't really important, that don't really
Mhm.
matter. Because, like you said, we're not thinking about it. We're not taking that extra step of slowing down and going, wait, is this
Yeah.
actually where I should spend my time or my money? Is this really going to give me a benefit, not just in
Right.
the short term, but in the long term? Is this actually in alignment with my values or what I think is important or whatever? And when you don't do that step of putting in some frames or some processes to think that
Mm.
through, well, then you end up with the regret problem, which is, you spent the money's already gone, or you spent the time's already gone. And you look at the end of it and you're like, oh, that's really not what I should have done.